Hey trader, the Pocket Option broker is hosting a competition for $1 million and many prizes. Join my team, make a deposit of $150 or more using my link, and we can take the prize together.
Did you know that you can earn $20,000 in just 1 minute? For this, you need to know the basic trading strategy using candles, and you don't even need indicators. My subscriber now has $120,000 on his balance, but he earned this capital in 1 year of trading using only the technical analysis, the pattern, and other trading methods. And today I will share his experience and show you how to make money on binary options using only candle. This trading strategy will really help you grow with a small balance and start trading immediately with a profit. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, then this is a big mistake. So fix it right now. I hope you did it. Thank you very much. You just write me the code word plus team. I'm waiting for you. The link to the Telegram channel is in the description of this video. And we continue our video.
Switch to the first currency pair. Let's open a bearish trade here and proceed to the general analysis. At the moment we have had two fairly large jumps in the after range. This is the first growth of a recovery in the bottom position, and the second sharp drawdown is a sharp recovery. And now, of course, it's not very clearly visible behind the table, but two red candles are already forming here, which are actually going to recover specifically in the bottom position in a downtrend. The volume of green candle had a rather pleasant growth, but as we can see, growth doesn't happen for us, and two candles we have just the same drawdowns. But since the volume is quite small, the drawdown is not yet stable, but still it saves me that we trade for a minute, and most likely with a higher probability we will invest in a minute. If it were 5 minutes, for example, it's still quite a big rise to open for a decline since there is no volume. We have also reached a certain area of resistance at this point. As a result of this, what is happening, this reversal. Let's look at the chart. We see this deal has closed with us a plus, and the total profit was $384, and our balance increased again and is $736.64. And we switch to the second currency pair. Here we are on the second currency pair. We immediately open a trade for an increase. Why I'm saying quickly? Because we are experiencing quite an intensive growth in the volume of candles. You can understand the intensity of the fact that almost all candles have a pleasant volume. What kind of volume we practically would not have been singled out? This means that how quickly we grow, then a rapid fall occurs. And therefore we need to open a trade for an increase as quickly as possible. Even here, a resistance area was established here. We overcame and couldn't resist for the second time, but we again experienced an increase, and in the growth we opened our trade for an increase. Globally, we also have a consonant growth. That is excellent. This deal also closes in plus, and we immediately move on to the third currency pair, in which we will continue our trading session. Here we have already moved to this currency pair. Let's open a downward trade here and proceed to the general analysis. Here we can see right away that we can identify which area of resistance we had. So accordingly we overcame it during the drawdown. Then our recovery happened quite confidently. But we see that this last section, which I'm now showing, just couldn't hold on, although we got about 7 candles in total. So I tried to hold on, but still began to roll back again in the bottom position. This is the main factor of opening downward trade. That's why we opened our downward trade. The candlesticks don't have much volume, but nevertheless in the last 2 to 1 range, red candles predominant. This is the fundamental factor in opening our downward trade. Let's watch the chart, guys. Perfectly, we see our deal is also closing in plus, and we have the 4th currency pair left. Let's switch to it and again try to close another successful deal. Here we have already switched to the 4th currency pair. Let's open a trade for an increase. I waited a little bit in order to catch a more minimal entry point from the ratio of this red candle, so also do so if you open for an increase. Catch the minimum point. The green downward candle has the corresponding maximum, since in most candles you can notice there is a shadow of a rollback, and therefore it will be unpleasant in principle. You could predict and analyze correctly. But nevertheless, you incorrectly selected the entry point of your transaction. Here we selected a rather low one. We have a slight drawdown due to a large rapid ground. But nevertheless, most likely the drawdown will end soon and we will continue to grow. This is a signal to open this trade for an increase. Let's watch this. Perfectly, this trade is also closed in a plus like all the previous ones. Let's, dear traders, at this point finish our trading session. Let's sum up. We increased our balance to the level of $1,288.64, so our balance growth with each video. I don't withdraw it on purpose, and accordingly in a week, in a month, after some period of time, we fully withdraw the amount and sum up how much we earned from such light and small trading session. I also want to tell you again about my Telegram channel. I'm giving out promotional codes for a free balance there now. So you enter a promotional code, your balance is automatically replenished. There are promotional codes for both $50 and $100 and $200. So to get promotional codes, go to my Telegram channel. There is also information on how to get into my team. Don't forget about it. It was our today's result, guys. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe to the Telegram and to the YouTube channel. Ask questions if you have any. Thank you all for watching, guys. Good luck to everyone. Bye bye.